Hello friends, welcome to our channel Products and Demo. Today I am here with the Amway personal care range, that is hair care. So today we will know about the hair care range. So as previously I have informed you that Amway products are dermatologically tested, they are eco-friendly and very safely to use. We have value for money. So in Amway hair care range, the hair care range has a satanic range. So first is the cleaning part. So for cleaning we will have first, that is 2-in-1 shampoo, Satanic 2-in-1 shampoo. As we know the name itself indicates 2-in-1, that means it cleans your hair and plus conditioner. So you don't have to use a separate conditioner in this. So it is 2-in-1 shampoo. Now normally any shampoo we use, first we should never use shampoo directly on our hair. In a bowl you just take a little water and a small amount of shampoo, dilute it and then clean the scalp. Normally when we first time when we clean the hair, they are dirty, so we don't get that lather. So first take a little amount, dilute it and wash your hair out. Then for the second time again take a little quantity and then you will get a lather, better lather, and you will have a good hair. For in 2-in-1 shampoo, as I have told you that there is conditioner also, so separately no use of conditioner, your hair becomes silky and you can easily manage them. Now in this shampoo we have bottle as well as sachet. So both the bottle and sachet both are available in our shampoo range. Now the next is anti-dandruff shampoo. Anti-dandruff shampoo, as the name indicates, it is mainly for the dandruff. Now if we have an itchy, dry scalp, we can use this shampoo. This shampoo, as normal, we use clean the hair with this shampoo, and then after that you have to use a conditioner. So this shampoo does not have a conditioner, so after using this anti-dandruff you have to use this conditioner, so it moisturizes your hair. Normally what happens when we wash our hair with anti-dandruff, our scalp is already dry, itchy, so we treat it with the anti-dandruff shampoo and then condition it. So your problem is for the scalp is solved, as well as your hair gets moisturized. After that we have hair fall control shampoo. Hair fall control shampoo, in this we have sachet as well as bottle. So hair fall shampoo, hair fall control shampoo, if we have nowadays, there are, that is due to the stress, then pollution, dirt, and all these things have effect on our hair. So we have many complaints of hair fall. So this shampoo controls the hair fall and makes your hair grow healthier. And every shampoo, that is a Satanic range shampoo, has a formula, that is a technology, that is the energy technology, in which, as we know that our hair structure is made of different layers and the inner part is the core. So the shampoo or range or the hair care range goes up to our core and treats within. So our cleaning and nourishing, moisturizing is inside out. Just not the upper part is not just nourished or washed, it is inside out. After hair fall control, again you have to use a conditioner. So as this does not have conditioner, you have to condition your hair. And after that we have Glossy Repair shampoo. Glossy Repair shampoo, nowadays we know it is a trend of coloring our hairs, or we dye our hair. So coloring or doing any treatment has effect on our hair. So this Glossy Repair shampoo is very useful for our color hair, as the color maintains for a long wash. As we use other shampoos, they wash out your color. So this shampoo keeps for a longer time, your color remains on your hair for a longer time. After using this, again you have to use a conditioner. So in this, though your hair's color treatment is done, damage is done to hair, so it treats and conditions. So both the things are done in this shampoo. So this we have seen the cleaning part of our hair. After cleaning we come to the treatment. Now normally when we go to the spa, we have a hair spa for a better healthy hair, moisture hair, conditioned hair. So here we have rejuvenating hair mask, Satanic rejuvenating hair mask. We have to wash our hair, that is clean our hair, and after that apply this mask on our hair and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash out your hair. Here after cleaning you don't have to use a conditioner. Instead of that you have to use this rejuvenating hair mask. So this mask is effective on any type of treatment you have done on your hair, color treatment, or if you have split ends, dry hair. So this rejuvenating hair mask gives a better effect on your hair. It makes your hair inner out healthier. After that, in the treatment we have the scalp tonic. As the name suggests, scalp tonic, this is mainly used on the scalp for making your scalp better, healthier. And use of this scalp tonic is you have to wash your hair, clean your hair. On dry scalp, in the morning and at night you have to apply this on your scalp, massage it on your scalp. Normally where we have very thin hair now, because due to hair fall and all, we have the thinning of the hair. So you use this scalp tonic, you have better effect of this. Now this is the treatment part. After that we have styling gel also. So you can use the styling gel for styling your hair. Now this is the hair care. Along with the hair care, as from olden days we know that we have been using hair oil. Coconut hair oil is a main part of our regular use. So this Persona coconut oil is 100% pure, and normally other oils are very sticky. So small children, you can use this from small babies to the elderly. Normally small children are very fussy, they don't want to apply hair oil on their hair because they become sticky. So this hair oil is not at all sticky, and it can also be used for the baby massage. In the earlier days, when it is a baby, we normally have massage for baby, so you can use this. So it is 100% pure. It can be also used for cooking, so it is so pure. After that we have amla oil. Amla oil, regular use of amla oil gives a shine, gives proper condition to your hair and gives you a better hair. So this is all about the hair care range that we have. That is the cleaning part, then the treatment and the styling. So all this is included, as I've already before told you, that they are all eco-friendly products. Amway products are all eco-friendly. They are dermatologically tested, and they give you 100% satisfaction guarantee. 100% satisfaction is what? Now normally whenever we purchase any product from the shop, if you use it and you don't like that product, you can't return that product. But in Amway, you use any product, not only hair care, Amway, any product, you use it. If you don't like it, you can return it back. 30%, even if you use it within 30 days, you return it, you get your money back. So this is value, 100% satisfaction, value for money. And this is all the premium range. And normally you know that the Amway products are only available with the Amway distributor. For that you can check in the link. Thank you.